Hello friends, in this tutorial, we will learn scanning animation. If you have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, you can make it very easily. Watch this video till the end and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start this. You can see these two HTML and CSS files. I will open these two files into Visual Studio Code. Let's write basic format of HTML, link the CSS file to it. Now, change the title of the web page. Now, create a container div. Now, create a heading text. Now, style the body and give it position. Now style the heading. Fix the position of heading related to body. Now, animate the heading. You can see, heading animation is working fine. To look more attractive, change the background color of body. Then change the text color of heading. Now, it is looking good. Thanks for watching.